The tragic death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput in 2020 sent shockwaves through the entire nation. However, for Rhea Chakraborty, Sushant's then girlfriend, it marked the beginning of a painful and life-altering journey. What was once a loving and supportive relationship quickly spiraled into a nightmare. Rhea, along with her brother Shovik, became embroiled in a storm of accusations following Sushant's death. The media frenzy intensified with allegations that were both serious and damaging. This led to their arrests, changing their lives forever. For years, Rhea and her family endured intense public vilification, with little opportunity to process their grief or find peace. After a long battle, the truth eventually emerged. The CBI's final report cleared Rhea and Shovik of all charges, but the emotional toll of these years cannot be understated. In a recent interview, Rhea's close friend, Nidhi Hiranandani, opened up about the harrowing journey Rhea and her family endured. It was a nightmare, Nidhi began. Rhea and her family went from mourning Sushant's death to being blamed for something they didn't do. The pressure was unreal. They lost years of their lives, years they should have spent healing. Nidhi also spoke about how Sushant was considered part of Rhea's family. His death, combined with the accusations, devastated them. Rhea's parents had always considered Sushant family, Nidhi said. Watching them break down, still grieving, while the world focused on accusations was heartbreaking. The situation was made even worse by the COVID-19 pandemic, which caused the world to shut down. With everyone in lockdown, Rhea became an easy target for public outrage. The hate she faced was overwhelming, and finding any support seemed impossible. In the midst of this chaos, Rhea and Shovik were arrested. For their parents, this was a cruel emotional ordeal. Watching their children suffer, unable to help them in their time of need, was devastating. As Nidhi described, Rhea's mother couldn't even speak at times. Her father was trying to get help, but nothing changed. It was heartbreaking. During her time in jail, Rhea's only contact with her family came through brief video calls. However, these moments of connection were consumed by discussions about the case, leaving no room for healing. It was devastating, not just for Rhea, but for Shovik too, Nidhi explained. At just 23, he was preparing for the CAT exams and had secured admission to top colleges. But with the case hanging over them, all of his hard work was put on hold. Rhea lost her career, and Shovik couldn't pursue his future. Despite the intense public scrutiny and the damage done to her career, Nidhi noted that Rhea has emerged stronger, though she is forever changed. Rhea has become stronger, but she's also different now. Her confidence is shaken. But I hope she gets the comeback she deserves, louder than the hate, Nidhi said. The scars from this experience may never fully heal, but Rhea's strength to rise again remains unbreakable. As Nidhi put it, the pain is real, the scars are deep, but Rhea's strength to rise again is unbreakable. Rhea Chakraborty's journey has been one of unimaginable pain, public outrage, and personal loss. But through it all, she has shown immense strength and resilience. Her story is a reminder of the human toll that public scrutiny and false accusations can have. While the battle for justice may have ended, the scars left behind by those 5 years will take a lifetime to heal. Nonetheless, Rhea's determination to rebuild her life and career proves that the human spirit can endure even the toughest of storms.